Welcome to Explain the Charts, where we break down the market's most intriguing moves. Today, September 18th, 2024, we're diving deep into the QQQ, the Nasdaq 100 ETF, and dissecting its recent performance. First, let's take a look at the news and events that are impacting the Nasdaq. The Federal Reserve is set to announce its rate decision soon, and investors are on edge. Recent retail sales data indicates a healthy consumer spending environment, but concerns remain over the economy's overall health and the potential impact of a rate cut. The market is in a state of anticipation, and we'll examine the latest headlines to understand their potential correlation to the QQQ's price action. Let's switch over to the daily chart of the QQQ. Here we can see the overall trend, which has been generally bullish. There's clear support around the 440 level, which has held on several occasions. Recently, the QQQ has been consolidating between 460 and 475, forming a range. This suggests indecision in the market as traders weigh the potential impact of the Fed's rate decision. A break above 475 could signal a continuation of the bullish trend. However, a breakdown below 440 would indicate a significant shift in momentum, potentially leading to a larger sell-off. Now, let's zoom in on the hourly chart to get a closer look at the recent price action. The hourly chart shows a lot more volatility than the daily chart. We can see a series of higher highs and lower lows, which suggests that the QQQ is still in an upward trend. However, there have been some bearish signals in the last few hours. The QQQ has pulled back from the 475 level, which was a significant resistance point on the daily chart. This pullback could be a correction within the larger uptrend. But if the QQQ breaks below 470, it would signal a potential reversal of the current trend. Zooming into the 15-minute chart will help us understand the immediate sentiment. Here, we can see some short-term choppiness, with the QQQ moving up and down within a small range. This suggests that the market is currently uncertain about the direction of the QQQ. However, there have been some bullish signs in the last few minutes. The QQQ has broken above the 472 level, which was a key resistance point on the hourly chart. If the QQQ can hold above 472.50, it could signal a move towards the 475 level. But if it fails to hold this level, it could suggest that the QQQ is headed back towards the 470 level. To better understand the potential impact of news events on the QQQ, let's compare the price action on the daily and hourly charts. We see a clear correlation between the news and the chart data. For example, on the daily chart, we saw a significant sell-off following the release of disappointing jobs data in August. This sell-off was short-lived, however, as the market quickly rebounded on more constructive data releases. This shows how the QQQ's price action is sensitive to economic data. The hourly chart provides a more granular view of this, showing the quick swings in price as investors react to various news events. The current consolidation in the 460 to 475 range suggests that investors are waiting for further clarity before making a major move. The Fed's rate decision could be the catalyst for a breakout in either direction. The Fed's decision will be a crucial factor for the QQQ's short-term direction. A 50 basis point cut could further suggest a downgrade of the Fed's view on the labor market. This could lead to increased uncertainty and potentially trigger a sell-off in the market. On the other hand, a 25 basis point cut could be seen as a sign of caution by the Fed, but also a positive step for the economy. This could boost market sentiment and push the QQQ higher. Investors will be closely watching the Fed's statement for clues about the future direction of interest rates. The QQQ's reaction to the Fed's decision will be a key indicator of the market's overall sentiment. In summary, the QQQ is currently trading in a range, with the market awaiting the Fed's rate decision. Key price levels to watch are 440 on the daily chart and 470 on the hourly chart. A break above 475 on the daily chart would signal a continuation of the bullish trend. However, a breakdown below 440 on the daily chart would suggest a significant shift in momentum and potentially lead to a larger sell-off. The hourly chart shows a more volatile picture, with the QQQ pulling back from the 475 level. A break below 470 on the hourly chart would indicate a potential reversal of the current trend. The 15-minute chart is showing some short-term choppiness, but the QQQ has broken above the 472 level, which could suggest a move towards the 475 level. Keep an eye on the Fed's rate decision and the market's reaction to it. The Fed's statement will be crucial for understanding the future direction of interest rates and their potential impact on the QQQ. Stay tuned to explain the charts for further analysis and insights on the QQQ's price action.